Plug it and stretch it, baby. AV Access USB 3.2 extender goes 330 feet with zero lag? Let's be real, USB cables are the weakest link in your workflow. Ever tried gaming, streaming, or running a video call from a distant USB cam, only to get ghosted by lag or flatline devices? We feel that pain. That soul-crushing "why is nothing working" moment when your webcam goes AWOL or your mic freezes mid-pitch. Traditional extenders? Ha! Half the time they need drivers from 1998, the other half they just straight up quit on you. You deserve better. You deserve uninterrupted flow, not this spaghetti tangle of signal loss and slowpoke connections. Now amplify that chaos. Tight deadlines, back-to-back Zooms, stream crashing mid-broadcast, and that one coworker asking, "Is your mic muted again?" It's not just inconvenient, it's a slow-burn productivity killer. You're stuck taping together short cables like some DIY tech Frankenstein. Stress climbs. Your hardware's bottlenecking you, not the other way around. Burnout creeps in. You're missing opportunities. Whether it's game night, surveillance shifts, or a once-in-a-lifetime telescope stream, if your USB isn't stretching far and fast, you're not just lagging. You're losing. Period. Meet your knight in matte black armor, the AV Access USB 3.2 extender. This beast stretches your USB signal up to 330 feet over Ethernet with zero latency. Like magic. Plug and play? Yup. Driver drama? Nope. It runs flawlessly across Windows, macOS, and Linux. Hook up your webcams, mixers, printers, even that power-hungry external SSD, without lifting a coding finger. Thanks to 4 blazing fast USB 3.2 ports, 5 gigabits per second, baby, this compact powerhouse gives you remote control with no speed penalty. It's not just an extender, it's a straight-up productivity exorcist. You'll love the ultra-slim, palm-sized design that hides neatly behind your setup like a tech ninja. It powers high-current USB gear, 1.5 ampere on one port, handles live streaming, gaming, surveillance, and even VR extensions like a champ. No more shouting "Can you hear me now?" or yanking cables every 5 minutes. This little unit slaps chaos in the face. Want smoother workflows, less stress, and more time doing what matters? Then stick around. We're about to show you why thousands are ditching dinky dongles for this USB beast. Don't sleep on this tech glow-up. The AV Access USB 3.2 extender is flying off shelves faster than a Cat6 cable on rollerblades. With zero lag, 100M reach, and universal compatibility, it's the USB fix your future self will high-five you for. Join thousands of streamers, creators, gamers, and pros who've already leveled up. And hey, still skeptical? Try it risk-free with 1-year replacement service and legendary support. Your setup deserves pro-level power. Smash that link, grab yours now, and extend like a boss.